Hey there! Are you concerned about your kidney health? Did you know that there are certain warning signs that could indicate your kidneys are toxic? In this video, we're going to take a look at the 10 warning signs your kidneys are toxic, and what you can do about it. Stay tuned and hit that subscribe button to never miss a beat on your health journey. Your kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood, maintaining a healthy balance of electrolytes, and regulating blood pressure. Unfortunately, when the kidneys are not functioning properly, toxins can build up in your body, leading to serious health problems. Here are 10 warning signs that your kidneys may be toxic. Swelling or edema. Edema is a condition in which fluid accumulates in your body's tissues, causing swelling. If your kidneys are not functioning properly, they may not be able to remove excess fluid from your body, leading to swelling in your legs, ankles, and feet. In severe cases, edema can also affect your face, hands, and abdominal area. Fatigue. Fatigue is a common symptom of kidney disease. When your kidneys are not functioning properly, they may not be able to produce enough of a hormone called erythropoietin, which stimulates the production of red blood cells. This can lead to anemia, a condition in which you have a reduced number of red blood cells, causing fatigue. Back pain. Back pain is a common symptom of kidney problems. The kidneys are located in the lower back, and if they are not functioning properly, you may experience pain in this area. In some cases, the pain may be severe and accompanied by other symptoms, such as fever and chills. Changes in urination. Changes in your urine, such as frequent urination, dark yellow urine, cloudy urine, or reduced urine output, can be warning signs of kidney problems. If your kidneys are not functioning properly, they may not be able to filter waste and excess fluids from your blood, leading to these changes in your urine. Skin rashes and itching. If your kidneys are not functioning properly, they may not be able to remove waste and toxins from your body, leading to skin rashes and itching. These symptoms may be accompanied by other symptoms, such as fatigue and muscle weakness. Nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting are common symptoms of kidney problems. When your kidneys are not functioning properly, they may not be able to filter waste and excess fluids from your blood, leading to an accumulation of toxins in your body. This can cause nausea and vomiting, as well as other symptoms, such as fatigue and headache. Loss of appetite. Loss of appetite is a common symptom of kidney problems. When your kidneys are not functioning properly, they may not be able to filter waste and excess fluids from your blood, leading to an accumulation of toxins in your body. This can cause a loss of appetite, as well as other symptoms, such as nausea and vomiting. Muscle cramps. Muscle cramps are a common symptom of kidney problems. When your kidneys are not functioning properly, they may not be able to maintain a healthy balance of electrolytes in your body, leading to muscle cramps. In severe cases, muscle cramps may be accompanied by other symptoms, such as fatigue and muscle weakness. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is a common symptom of kidney problems. When your kidneys are not functioning properly, they may not be able to produce enough of a hormone called erythropoietin, which stimulates the production of red blood cells. This can lead to anemia, a condition in which you have a reduced number of red blood cells, causing shortness of breath. Mental confusion. Mental confusion is a common symptom of kidney problems. When your kidneys are not functioning properly, they may not be able to remove waste and toxins from your body, leading to an accumulation of toxins in your brain. This can cause mental confusion, as well as other symptoms, such as fatigue, headache, and memory loss. It is important to seek medical attention if you are experiencing any of these warning signs. Early detection and treatment of kidney problems can help prevent serious complications, such as kidney failure. In conclusion, the warning signs of toxic kidneys should not be ignored. By being aware of these symptoms and seeking medical attention, you can help ensure that your kidneys are functioning properly and help prevent serious complications. Remember, healthy kidneys are essential for good health and a longer life. That's a wrap for today's video on the 10 warning signs your kidneys are toxic. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is essential for good health and a longer life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful health tips and tricks. And as always, if you are experiencing any of these warning signs, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.